Hello students, now we'll study about magnetic field due to infinite and semi-infinite current carrying wire. Okay. For that, first of all, we'll revise what we had done for finite wire. For finite wire, what we had done. We had a wire at perpendicular distance A from point P where we wanted to find the magnetic field. Okay. The formula for that was mu 0 upon 4 pi I by A sine phi 1 plus sine phi 2, where this angle was phi 1, it was in this direction, and phi 2, that was this direction, we calculated it in this direction. Okay. Now suppose we want for infinite wire. Okay, then what we will do, we'll have the same conditions. Here it will move up to infinite, here also it will move up to infinite, here it is a point P at distance A. This condition remains same. Now what will be the angle? Okay, now to understand that, I'll just show you an example. If the wire was only of this length, angle would be something, it would be small. If the wire would be of this height, angle would increase. Let us see over here. ये होता एंगल कुछ होता, अगर ये बड़ा होता एंगल वुड हैव इंक्रीज्ड, अगर ये और बड़ा होता एंगल वुड हैव इंक्रीज मच मोर. So if at infinity, what would be the angle? You might have studied in your lower classes that parallel lines meet at infinity. Okay, क्योंकि ये infinity है तो this line will also become almost parallel to it. It will become almost parallel to it, which means that the angle here will be equivalent to 90. I am not saying it has to be exactly 90, but parallel lines meet at infinity, so it is very near to 90, so we can approximately take angle as 90. Okay, so phi 1 will be equal to 90 degree. Similarly here also, as this is an infinite, when will this meet? It will meet it at infinity. Okay, so once again the angle here would be 90 degree. So phi 1 and phi 2 will be equals to 90 degree. If we put the value in this, then we can write it in the form of, yeah, it is visible. So B equals to mu 0 upon 4 pi I by A sine 90 plus sine 90. So it will be, this is okay. I'll just write it somewhere else. Okay, I'll write here B mu is equals to mu 0 upon 4 pi I by A sine 90 is 1 and this is also 1, so it will be 2. Okay, so this is the formula for infinite wire. Okay, now if we take semi-infinite wire, okay, what do you mean by semi-infinite? First of all, suppose we know that one end of the wire is fixed over here, okay, and the second part is moving up to infinity, okay, and we want to find at this point. Okay, suppose this is A. Okay, so now we need to apply the same formula, only thing is we need to know the angles. As this is moving up to infinity, so phi 1 will be 90 degree, as we have seen seen over here in infinite wire. Okay, so 1 will be, phi 1 will be equal to 90 degree. Now what about phi 2? It is in the same line, so phi 2 will be equal to 0. When two lines are intersecting each other, then the angle between them is 0, so phi 2 will be equals to 0. So the value of B will be equals to mu 0 upon 4 pi A I sine 90 plus sine 0. Okay, will be equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi I by A sine 90 is 1 and sine 0 is 0, so it will be multiplied by 1. So in short, we can write it in this manner: B equals to mu 0 upon 4 pi I by A sine 0 and 1, it will be 1, so it will be multiplied by only 1. Okay, this will be the condition for semi-infinite wire. Okay, semi-infinite current carrying wire. I hope this is very clear. This was very important to know the concept. Okay, this makes a concept clear. Once again, I'll just show you what happens over here. If I increase the length, okay, the distance remains same, the angle will keep on increasing. Here angle बहुत छोटा था, एंगल थोड़ा बड़ा, यहाँ पे और बड़ा, क्योंकि ये हाइट बढ़ रही है तो एंगल भी बढ़ रहा है, ये हाइट बढ़ रही है तो एंगल भी बढ़ रहा है. बट दिस इज गोइंग अप टू इन्फिनिटी. सो ये कहाँ पे मिलेगा? इन्फिनिटी में मिलेगा. इट विल फॉर्म अ पैरेलल लाइन. सो द एंगल बिटवीन दिस टू लाइन विल बी 90 डिग्री, will be approximately 90 degree because parallel lines meet at infinity. Okay, I hope this is very clear. And here same lines है तो एक बार तो 90 आएगा and second time it would be 0 degree. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.